Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe as I update content daily, and you never know what you might see or hear that might help you improve your life, your business, your current situation. So what I want to talk about today is Rhonda Byrne, Magic, and Day 8, Daily Gratitude. What Rhonda focuses on Day 8 is gratitude for your food, for water, anything that we consume, as it provides nutrients to our body and it helps us stay strong and carry out the daily things. So the activity for that is, before you eat, before you consume any meals, you want to take a few seconds and think, how that food got to you, how that fruit or how that water got to you, and what processes were involved in order to get to your table. How many hands has it touched? What it must have happened for it to get there. See, we all take those things for granted, and we think that it's we just go to a store and we pick up an item, any perishable, and that's what we see it as. But if we were grateful for all the people that have touched that vegetable or fruit or anything that it might be that you're eating, and hold for a few seconds, close your eyes, and just silently or verbally say thank you and be truly appreciative, you would therefore multiply the gratitude for this, therefore attracting more of it. And what Rhonda Byrne states is that if we all collectively, all people were grateful for something, especially food, it would have actually lessened the amount of hunger in the world, and it would have actually provided more food for homeless. And with the way things are going nowadays, I'm sure where all the fires and all the droughts, there's plenty to go about. It just is not fully evenly distributed. So we gotta be grateful for what we have, so therefore we can attract more. And by doing this, we actually help others and ourselves, because once we appreciate something that we have, we will attract more of it. And what Rhonda also states is, you wanna purify the food that you're gonna eat. So what she does is sparkle magically something over the food as if she was purifying it. So this act is not only blessing but also purifying what you're going to consume. So this definitely will that's definitely beneficial to do. And let's say if you forgot to do it for a meal, you want to go back to that period when you were eating, and you want to close your eyes and imagine and be grateful for that moment. However, if you skip the activity for the whole day and you haven't done it, you might just repeat the process from on the next day. So, and at the end of the day, you want to grab your gratitude rock and be grateful for something. So I hope that helps some of you, and you find this powerful. And my disclaimer is, I'm not a publisher, I'm not affiliated anywhere with the book or the publisher or the author. I just strictly take those concepts and I apply them to my life, and I hope I can help you improve your life as well through my own experiences. So thank you guys. Please don't forget to share or like, as I'm updating content daily, and my true purpose is to help improve your lives. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.